If you're heading into Dollar General this Saturday, March 14th, here's some deals you may want to keep in mind. You could save $5 when you spend $20 on any brand shown here, and that's on the Snuggle, Persil, Purex, All, Dow, and Soft Scrub. And there's also a $1.50 digital coupon. Now, if you need to stock up on Snuggle or Purex, be sure to clip this $1.25 digital coupon. Now, if you prefer Tide or Gain, you'll want to clip the $1 digital coupon in the Dollar General app, and you can save on the liquid laundry detergent, the pods, or the Downy sheets, or Mega sheets, or Bounce sheets. Now, whether you're running low or you simply want to stock up on Angel Soft Tissue, they have the bigger pack. It's the 16 mega rolls is the equivalent of 64. It's on sale for $12, and then there is a $1.50 digital coupon in your Dollar General app. So be sure to clip it, and it is on the scented or unscented Angel Soft bath tissue. Now, if you have a little sweet tooth or you just like keeping candy around, or whether you're working on those Easter baskets, you can save $2 when you spend $9 on any M&M's candy. But if M&M's candy isn't your thing, then there's also a promotion going on the Hershey's Easter candy. It's going to be buy two, get one free. Now, we know if we shop at Dollar General on Saturday, there's the $5 off when you spend $25. So if you really just want to do a complete paper deal, then you can save $5 when you spend $25 on any of these brands, Charmin, Bounty, or Puffs. So that'll get you there, plus an additional $5 off, and then your regular $5 Dollar General digital coupon. There's also a pretty good promotion on the Colgate products, so you can instantly save $5 when you spend $15 on the Colgate products that are shown here. So whether you need to stock up on toothpaste, toothbrushes, or mouthwash, this is a good promotion, and this will also help you minimize or cut down if you're going to be spending $25. And the last promotion that I'll mention is for the cat lover in your life. So whether it's you or someone else, for the Purina Tidy Cats, it's going to be buy one, get one free. So those are all the deals that I wanted to highlight in this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Hope you have a lot of fun shopping. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.